Hello, my name is Claudia Macias, to Business Administration. Tax 4, Exercise 3. Bueno. Do you spend much money for your last trip? Was it a fair amount? On my last trip, I didn't spend a lot of money. It was a fair amount for all the experiences I had. Do you go sightseeing on your last trip? What was the most interesting place for you? On my last trip, if I did tourism, I visited the island of San Bernardo del Viento. The most interesting place on this tour has been the island of Santa Cruz del Islote. What is the most unknown food you have eaten during a trip? The most unknown food I had eaten on a trip has been crab, ceviche with octopus. I must confess that I really like seafood. What places have you missed to visit during your trip? When I visited San Antero, due to the short time, I did not go to visit the Cispata Bays, the mangroves and Coveñas. I will return soon. You be able to know these places. What was the most incredible activity you did on your trip? Your trip. What do you do? The most incredible activity I did on my trip was swimming with and North Shore for a few minutes. I was able to touch and feed it. Thank you.